Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class Physical Education, Unit 9, Psychology and Sports. And today our topic is motivation is types. Motivation means I am possible. Meaning of motivation. To the behavior scientific, the word motivation has its originating word mover, which means to move. Literally, motivation means the desire to do things. It is an energy supplement which helps to target the goal, which power is pain period, and boost up to being with what we want to be. It is a psychological feature which gives us the reason to action and need toward the desired goal. The scholar has given different opinion about motivation and discuss. Right. The motivation is the word derived from the word motive, which means need, desire, want, or drive within the individual. It is the process of stimulating people to action to accomplish the goal. Motivation is the process that initiate, guide, and maintain goal-oriented behavior. It is what causes you to act, whether it is getting a glass of water to reduce thirst or reading a book to gain knowledge. Motivation involves the biological, emotional, social, and cognitive force that activity behavior. In everyday uses, the term motivation is frequently used to describe why a people does something. It is the driving force behind human action. Definition of motivation. The first definition is according to Cook and Stein, any condition that might energy and direct our action. According to Sag, the drive to strive is called motivation. According to Edelman, motivation is the general level of arousal to action in an individual. There are two types of motivation. First, intrinsic motivation. Second, extrinsic motivation. Right? The first intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is internal motivation. It occurs when people are compelled to do something out of pleasure, importance, or desire. In this type of motivation, individual get energy or reason to do any work from himself. This motivation be fired by goal or simple joy of need of the body. It is a natural motivation. Right? Second, extrinsic motivation. It is also called external motivation. Extrinsic motivation is external. It occurs when external factor compel the person to do something. Motivation is always extrinsic. When prize, blame, or cash prize are example of extrinsic motivation. Right? Next topic is technique of motivation. Unit 9, Psychology and Sports. Technique of motivation. Various techniques of motivation are applied on a sports person, which can enable them to achieve the top position in the field of sports and games. These techniques of motivation are described below. First, technique of motivation, goal setting, arrangement of competition, specters, verbal comment, hypotonism, healthy sports environment, knowledge of result, prize and blame, cash prize, trophy, motivational music, positive attitude, positive self-talk. Okay, one by one I will explain. First, goal setting. One of the most important technique of motivation is goal setting. If you do not set a goal, you cannot achieve apex position in your life. So, a sports person should be encouraged to set few goal but achievable long-term goal. They should get goal according to their capability and capacity. Right? Second, arrangement of competition. Third, spectators. Spectators and a sports fan give boost of the favorite player. It will have a positive effect on the player. The stadium full of spectators, their clapping and their motivational. Right. Next, verbal comment. Verbal comment means negative and positive comments. Right. Hypotension, healthy sports environment means providing a positive and healthy supportive athletics environment player an important role of give motivation. Eco-friendly environment when maintain a sports player feel stadium and sports complex proper equipment coaching, positive behavior, providing choice within the region and solution-oriented attitude contribute a lot to give motivation and improve the sports skill of the athlete. Right? Knowledge of result is a very important knowledge of result means knowledge of result contribute a lot of encourage the athletics. It gives the opportunity to the player for self-analysis and comparison with other players. The analysis of the result of the performance of a player should be shared with them. Next, prize or blame. Prize or blame are effective factor of motivation if given a proper time and its amount. Sometimes if blame is give an important time, it can be decrease the individual may withdraw himself from the activity. Price is also better, but too much price can be denotory the future of the sports person. It should be according to the requirement. It has been seen the price and more effective to girls is comparison to boys. The mature athlete have at least concern about price. Right? Cash prize and trophy. Motivational music. Motivational music means motivational song and music fill the athletics with unbeatable energy. It is particularly a good way to motivate a sports person in training and prior to competition, but it should be inspiration one. It can be performed during the indoor training session, fast music during the circuit training and slow music during the recovery period are appropriate. Right? Positive attitude. That is one of the important. For proper motivation, the coaches should try to encourage positive attitude among a sports person. They should lay proper can be mindset of player. It means the player must think that they can do it positively. They should keep in their mind that champion feet and hand are not made of gold, they are made of bone and flesh, so they can also be the champion. Positive self-talk. These are the many technique of motivation. Okay, you can write only 3 to 4 lines in explanation in each and every. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.